Uh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm cooking dinner. Simple, relaxing, and definitely not haunted or anything.
Got some fresh roots, foraged, ethical.
He is not alone.
Knife skills aren't great, large hands. Did you guys see that? Probably just a deer. Or wind.
The watcher learns.
Anyway, comment if you like stew content.
Smells earthy. Cook.
Nope, didn't hear that. Just gonna add salt. Too much salt.
It grows curious.
Okay, that's new. Forest neighbors, am I right?
Am I right? Nope. We stay positive on this channel.
Low heat, let it simmer.
It studies the ritual. Needs garlic. No. Yes. The watcher retreats.
Garlic fixes everything.
Almost done, folks. Almost. Presentation matters. Five-star forest dining. It does not understand kindness.
Guest portion.
For me?
Everyone eats. A new rule is learned. War.
See, communication.
The forest exhales. Anyway, like and subscribe. Subscribe. Progress! Dinner ends. Balance remains. Good night, Internet. Good night. Not all monsters are enemies. Some just need dinner. See you next recipe.
Bigfoot out.